Yeah, I got a 2010 A6 with a supercharger. I came in with misfire on cylinder 5 and 6, and I swapped the coils, swapped the plugs, and still misfiring. So I did a compression test, and this bank one here, which is the right side, has a the compression was around 165, 170, and the compression on bank 2, which is the left side bank, was around 120. So it's low, and it has the engine speed sensor. It's detecting a correlation issue. So that means, guys, this car gonna need timing change. Okay, it's soft timing. Okay, and that's what it's gonna need. Okay, so make sure with misfire, make sure you swap the coils, swap the plugs, and then if still the same misfiring, do a compression test. If compression uneven, like in this case, it's around 50 psi of different, you need timing change, guys. Okay, other than that, that's that way you don't throw money in the car and for no reason. Thumb up if you like the video, subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you on the next video.